Welcome back to Davi Dan HD. People, here we are going. We have a new banger. The one is called Betrayed by Blood. But here we are going. Before that, we have some announcements. People, we want to go for J. Clover's Cuisine. You see this restaurant here, right at Westland Mountain. It have all of the seafood, the pastas, the burritos, the wraps, all of the nice food. Just check out the man, right at Westland Mountain as the entrance. Big up J. Clover's Cuisine. Nicest food in Westmoreland. Just check it out. See number and see flyers right here. So just check it out and have a bite. Alright. Anyways, back to the movie. So here we are going. People, it's Monday, May 11th. That's my birthday. I turn 16. Or somewhere along the lines. Yeah, so boy, I get older now. So Monday and birthday, alright. So we just big up on yourself. Might be now go drop a movie. Might be surprised now and drop a bad movie said way. But yeah. Betrayed by Blood. Just check it out, leave a comment, like and subscribe. Please people. Me a big on one bad energy pan that movie coming. No so I gonna love the one here. So just do the right thing.
Me do yan. What? Toga! Brother! Toga!
Come on, I can even apple for sale.
Brother! Wait, Toga, no, Toga. You just knock on the door and come out, look. Why you chat out your mouth? You don't know say, Toga, get up!
Who else to come and knock the door?
Toga, look over here there. You mean who else? People come up and knock on my door. After no prison me there. Toga, you don't come out, brother. When you come out, you don't tell me say you come out, brother.
That's cool, no, man.
What I mean cool, no, man? You just come on, brother, and tell me say you come on. That's not cool, bro.
You know me now, brother, I did. So a boy and have me.
So I reach yourself if you don't know, brother. How you reach yourself, Toga? How you reach yourself? How you reach yourself?
Yesterday, them come for me in prison and they start transfer me. Come way down in a police station to police station and come way down and get us and then they say, I'm going to let me out because I have good behavior in a prison.
Oh.
So
Me have
do
this
the time,
year,
I
so
see.
Toga. All these years, you know, Mr. Sister, not even happy to see me. You just come and sit down, so brother. You just come and throw down, so you're not even happy to night. Yo, my sister, you look good, not what?
You don't even know right now, I go through my brain.
I got your brain. No, Toga. No, make a reason. Which Davi Dan you want to look for?
I mean,
Toga, just
boy
come
said me go to prison. You think me don't know say him go inform for me?
Bro.
Or him not get locked up?
Bro, what I know? We don't want to talk about that right so right now. You just come from prison. Look how you hear out that door nice. Eh? You must pass and see a two hot girls somewhere you stop and stay upon like say. You just come from prison and talk about you want to page man already, brother. Brother, you just come home. You still smell like prison. You still smell like jail, so you talk about you want to page man.
Don't worry about it.
Not even your girlfriend you ask about, you not ask about Pinky, nothing there. Look back on the
I don't even know if she the loyal save me.
Bro, I me take care of him, everything you want me give him. Right now in plum, you want to see him more round and sexy right now. He hold up for you, bro, me I tell him. She don't go about it, dog, she hold out, me I tell him. Bro, we go lick him. We go lick him for you. Just sit down, take a chill, take a shower. I could get something to eat, drink too special, and one of maids, what kind of maids them there, the whole brother? I don't like them kind of maids there. So come here, the boat, Davi, brother. Just tie out a little bit, brother. Take a chill pill. Bro, I'm going to go for your woman and forward back. Just go take a shower and put on some clothes, brother.
Sis, you think jail was nice? You think round a cell block a nice place? You know how much time boy running for me to stab me up, kill me, and me have to defend myself.
Bro.
You think around there plating? Eh? And then me and him go up and robbery, or me alone get locked up. You take man, yo.
Bro, me understand the
She
frustration.
even know, you know. You see her tonight, you better lock up in your house tight.
Brother, me not like them kind of mess the way. We're gonna take a fresh day, brother, and take a chill pill. Me tell you, me I go page your woman and forward back. Just calm down, me understand the
You know what thing me do for that boy there? The first gun he ever hold and me give him that. Me.
My brother,
And he end up come diss me. And grow on me thing, take man, alright.
The plan to send back yourself, guys, as I come, not true.
A prison me I go back.
You can go in there.
Prison straight round them me I go back and me alone I go up 6 feet and then I go.
Tugger, come. Go in the house and take a fetch and put on.
Yo, that should have closed it.
A fireside for them, yes. But we can't just bring no clothes them on the veranda, so bro. You just come and then they kind of mess here where you not hold no mess already, you just come. Pinky! I want to. Pinky, I try to girl. Come here, I want to talk to you about something.
Oh, are you girl?
No, do you take a lot to tell me?
Yeah, they just said Chelsea.
You know me vice, girl. You should pick up from me just call.
Oh.
When you come over here to me. Come on,
What do you mean come over here? Girl, I don't understand.
Awa. Pinky, turn up now. Stop. You say when you come over here to me, me have one surprise to you today.
Girl, so one thing over me here, there's something me there do. Girl, me just wake up and see how me look.
Pinky, left that. You don't look nowhere. How you look? You look like yourself.
No, girl.
Me have one bag of
something
food, so I'm sitting for you. You just go downtown and buy this in there.
Let me
And snacks and juice in there.
Oh, thanks.
Everything we go on.
But that's something me here do, girl. When me come over here,
So left that now. Where you pat on fire?
Why you want me come over here for Chelsea?
Nothing now go burn up in your house, the place now go catch on fire. When you come over here, me can't tell you I want surprise.
No,
Pinky.
man, Chelsea, this not sound good.
Pinky's sound good and they all look good too. Me just can't tell you yet that a surprise. No, Pinky,
Chelsea,
I can't go over your yard.
I saw a gunman look for me. You can't tell me, you know.
Gunman, Pinky, you don't do nothing for gunman look for you.
So what's the problem I look for Tugger?
No,
Chelsea, man, I can't come over your yard right now.
That not in it. Me want you come over here. Just trust me now. And look how long me I take care of you. From Tugger gone to prison and me I take care of you. And me take up my money and spend for you. And me buy you what you want and me get everything where you want. So trust me.
I'm grateful. Alright, what me I do? Come in here and come back?
No more you stay me on my yard.
Girl,
Little bit of time. Just couple
yard,
days.
Girl. Me can't run away. Girl, where from me left me yard. To come on in your yard. I know people live. Chelsea, listen to some of me.
Calm down. And I first go come on my yard. It's just that this time it go different.
Chelsea, listen. Girl, I'm grateful for everything what you're doing, you know. Because from Tugger Ghana, you're there by my side. But girl, listen, I can't left from my yard. I clean me in my house, I clean up and I deal with what me I deal with, girl. I'm going to come link you later, girl. I can't stay on your yard. I'm grateful for the little things
there. Wait, let me say something to you. From Tugger there jail, me ever give you no reason if you don't me. Like, me ever give you no reason at all if you not trust me.
No.
So what me feel like say, I something me not deny you and nothing. Me I tell you say me have one surprise to you. And that surprise, you know so that surprise I go to make you don't want to play in the house again.
Girl, my diva, I'm not clothes out here, sir, nothing.
Me tell you say me take up couple pieces of clothes for you in my bag.
So Chelsea, you come on my yard, where you need to take up clothes in the town and my yard, you come?
Because me buy something for you. Because I know what you tap to tell me say, you can't this and you can't that. So me make sure say me see something I like you and me buy.
Jesus. Alright, come to
And then the first me
I'm
buy
going to lock up your house.
I'm not even going to lock up no house.
Alright, come.
You lock your house already, Pinky. See door lock there. I want to back me see you come from. And you say you clean your house. J. Clover.
Yo! Go on, book, what on?
Yo, you me a look for, you know? You me a look for. You know you walk one?
Wow.
So you're a street man and you know you walk one. You know you not walk one.
What on, man?
Well, you know look like you're here because you can't hear walk one and sit down on the front. And carry coming up.
No, man, I said that, man. Master John.
Tugger come back from prison, my youth.
What?
Bro, today the man land. And the man, yo, remember say me have link in the street, you know, bro.
Excuse me, not cut you, but bro, remember say a couple years, well, the man get, he not supposed to out already.
Bro, the man get couple years, but in up and good behavior. Remember say, Them the man they don't do good behavior, you know. And because the man have it in their mind, so the time when you get, if you not do good behavior, you know, go come back for con dash your way.
That's why coloring book, but me not do him a non-coloring book.
You what me I say, bro? Road in the streets are you sell out the man. The money, the ice, the robbery where you go upon. You understand? And you what me I tell you now, you know, you say Jutta Link, remember say me a gangster them man, they bring you, you know. Fame badness come like 200,000 and full badness come like silver in our pocket. So right now me So right now, me I tell you now, David, that's why I come link you over your yard, me not going up. And lucky things say you see me before me say, you know. The man take that off and cross him and go back to prison and you have to dash away, bro.
To the man, look how much years the man there jail.
Alright.
I mean, even link him for sure. You hope
listen
you
to me I say. You say, try you, the man say, I'm tell him thing. And he say, not tell nobody else. Me don't know if he tell nobody else, but listen to me I say, you know. When me look into the whole thing as a G, you know, he hard it. For me, give $1 million to put on my head, just take out 1,000.
Everything would have go in.
So I look into the amount of secret you have for Tugger, the amount of secret you have for Tugger, the amount of work you want to go upon, the amount of things you want to do. Why you want us to leak out one?
Thing that me assure you, coloring book, me assure you that not supposed to make no sense. Anybody who have sense supposed to can't say that no make none.
You look like Tugger have sense? Eh? You look like you have sense? The only sense you Tugger have is to dash your way. That's the only sense. Bro, me just come put you on your warning, on your guard, you know. You didn't see me, and me didn't see you. And me didn't see you. So me not tell you nothing. And you know you're not from me, I try to rate you on that. Because me put on your badness, me out height, you know.
What me for do now? Because me not do nothing. You think me forgot him and tell him say me not do nothing?
Why?
Go link him right now.
The only thing me can send a link or link him before you link him. Because maybe you go link him and you know come back to your family, bro.
So when he come today?
You come like you're deaf or something, bro. You know you me I say.
Me can't believe this man not supposed to come out of jail. And as he come out, that means the police could watch him then. Eh?
Police are watch him.
Just come
Police
out.
business with him. Police couldn't mind the whole on the dash on one another. You know me have to cut in the comment. Me there so too long. Me no want nobody see me here, you know.
Yo.
One thing me can tell you, Davi. See Tugger play hero there and go do much hero prison. Let me tell you something. You see a man will run and live for fight for your next day. Yo, you hear me? Yo, me didn't see you and you didn't see me. Yo, watch him. Yo, look more.
Respect, yeah.
Yo, look more here.
Look at what me I go do, man. Eh? Everybody have to see me sell him out and me don't do it. What make me pray? I want that if he go tell somebody and because he tell them I don't remember and think say me because me and him always a roll. Yo, we can't take problem, man. Can't take problem, I know.
Girl. Girl, you sure, girl?
You're fret too much. Come
I'm
on.
about fretting, girl, because something I'm up in my yard I do, girl. And for come down here, so me come here so far.
You're going like your owl. This is me I want surprise for you. You name up yourself so far. You know which one today I want surprise is too mad.
I see me, what is it?
If they tell you I'm not going to surprise again.
So see me.
Alright, turn on and close the eye.
Chelsea. Me not girl, waiting for close my eye. Me not check them something, you know.
You don't trust me?
Me
Turn
trust
around.
you. Alright.
Yeah, and lock your eye like a sock. I don't want you to pinky. Turn around so. Yes, like a sock. Ready now? Come 5. 1, 2, 3. What? Just what? 4 and 5.
Tugger! Jesus Christ, Tugger, what you doing?
Tugger.
What you doing?
Brother.
Girl, this is a surprise. What you do it, gone?
Yes, girl, I surprise your money.
Girl, what kind of surprise? Good and bad surprise. Now what Tugger do it, gone?
Sis,
Tugger, me talk to you before we
come now,
go.
me talk to you like a joke to me upon.
Tugger, me talk to you before we come here. You be and I put and take up back that Tugger. Where you get that from? We can have that in our house, Tugger. Come like I want where you walk back up.
Around and back, me go dig up it.
Fiwa, we do that for Tugger. Me talk to him, tell you say, baby, you just come home. You know, look at your girlfriend nice. Look at her.
Tugger.
You man there wait for him before you come over over here.
I'm gonna sit down and wait for you and be loyal to you. Tugger, you really come back with the same foolishness.
You think round there nice? You know what things me could have do in a 5 year.
You think you want to think out the road nice, me have to run from you. Your enemy them back and forth. I'm holding down there, come back with gun. Tugger with gun. And so,
Tonight, me have to make him go 6 feet and then I go.
after everything
Tugger, no, you cannot do that. You can't think like that, Tugger.
After, Me and you need one that shot.
I want gun that
Toga, you go put on that. Toga, come out and put on that. We not depend that with the Toga. People they say me I go to Pinky and come back and I have gun in my place.
And this girl, I can't listen to me from my yard far. Come watch my man get locked up again. Cause I have to lock up if I get 5 years, I sit down and wait for him like me an idiot and wait for 5 years out of my life. You know what man me could have take?
Pinky be talk to him. Not tell him that Pinky make him mad. Don't tell him that. Look at me talk to you. Look what it makes you do there now.
I could have lose my life within that time.
Me too. Remember say I pay and I left a road
just
for
up
me.
on street, there's a gallivant and a floss and a drink.
Toga,
And I enjoy
so you're in jail and if we out here and you come back now to me and so you want to come back, Toga?
Please.
Put on that.
Put on that, babe.
Toga, put on that.
I'm here, please.
Toga, please never go put on that. That's where you get it from. Me no want to tonight out. Toga, please. Toga, imagine me go to Pinky for you and me tell you say Pinky there and wait for you. And me talk to you before me go over yard. And me go to Pinky and this will make you really come over here too. You not even love her up or hug her up or
You
nothing.
don't love me again. Me no want you to touch me. Me no love me again. Look at me there how much here. I wall out and me think say we go come out and we go have a don't touch
This is what I
me.
say. Round this I don't make for nobody even know it trauma and I go through around this.
Calm down, Pinky, calm down. Toga, you have to come down, man. You have to behave better. Me expect you to change, brother. After so much years, you come back home to me with this girl rat now that for your nephew.
Stop it crying.
Me I give you no sound straight. Me outside here.
I can't believe you. So much years me sit down and wait for you. And you come back with the same thing. And how much people nearly kill me because of you. I'm still hold out, I'm still be loyal, and you come back with the same thing. Maybe you like you love me again.
Why me wouldn't love you again?
If you didn't love me, why you would want to go back to jail?
You understand why boy put me through?
I understand. Make bygones,
And
make
me and him go do
bygones.
work, you know. You don't even know what burn me when me see police come and come put cuff for me there.
You know
And me I
how
wonder
feel.
where him there. No, me not see him. Me not even hear from him in prison. Nothing. He not try to reach out to me. Nothing to explain. Nothing.
And then you go kill him now. How much years? I think of 5 years this now and more. Well,
Yo.
when you left them to kill me out here. You're not business about me. I'm a liarless girl they will ever have. And they come like that no matter to you.
Alright, yo. My loyalty matter to you, don't it?
Of course.
So how you think me feel for me and Davi apart all long and I am right and me am so and he come betray me? How you think me feel?
Hey, listen, I understand how you feel, you know. But at the end of the day, it don't make no sense. You go make Davi put in a problem. And then what? You go left me again for your next how much years? Would even know 10, 15, 20 years?
Brother, you just have to understand, say that's the heat to me, man. But I put on your gun because of you.
You promise?
Put it down because of you.
Wait.
I mean, I want to think say me no love you see me. I love you see me, brother. But it even when me I come out, you don't even know how amount of things that run through my brain, you know. When me I walk through station gate, you know.
Okay, yes.
You don't come like a me alone upon a dark path.
No, but much how you feel, and you know that.
Alright. So how things with you?
But every day I'm afraid and stressed out. I'm not counting me for what.
Me yeah say you run from which boy you check me?
This loud and this have to
Which
watch
boy
my
you
head back
trick
when
me?
I go up on the road.
Which boy to come and tell you that they know me turn already, you know.
Me, oh, that's tell me, I'm that fuck. You didn't even happy to see me, you know, hug me, and me, you know, so make it tick up for you. You didn't even come and even touch me.
That's cool, man, babe. Just relax.
You been for you come back, Joe?
I'm not be there now.
Alright, so meet me in the bathroom.
Kayla, right now, me here,
How
son,
are you?
I come like a mad, me here, son, news. Kayla,
Somebody drop them?
no.
What happened then?
Alright. You remember Tucker? Tucker, 5 couple years of back, man.
Oh.
Me and him used to.
Oh yes, talk from your dirty lifestyle.
Well, me change my life now. Kayla, you know, so Tucker come out of prison. Right now, me not even know if
What's wrong with that?
Me don't know if I escape the man, escape or jump fence or he beat up a guard, the man come out or something.
But now anything come out.
Wait a minute, nothing wrong. If you turn in jail, Tucker have it, you know, hear what I go on, Kayla.
Well, me no hear, I mean yard me there. You ever see me go on the road? I'm at my home. Come go here, what go
It's
on?
alleged in the streets, say me inform pan Tucker. And that's why I'm in jail now, because he could do an alcohol robbery.
But you say you never said
Me
that.
not do it. Me don't know nothing about it. Well, me know about it. Me know say he do it. But, Kayla, look on it. I'm all heap of things. Me know for that man there. I know one crime me know him do. Me know the worst of crime. And he alleged say me sending me making God jail for that crime there. If me I bring him down for everything. You think I look a bit at things, me know look a bit at dark have hide out and me know all about it. So what make him a pre me know and not even that. Get one link a while ago and me hear say him come from jail and him a make 1 or 2 talks. Anyway you see me, a shooting or something.
What?
Anyway you see me, he won't hurt me, he won't calm me up or something.
See, me forgot when they know. You go to him, you talk to him.
Talk to what you're mad. You know him, Tan?
Well, me have to go over there and talk to him.
You can't talk to him. You cannot talk to him.
Maybe me can't talk to him.
Let me tell you. I feel your friend, the sister. Where girl name?
Who tells him?
Yes. Chelsea.
Well,
I Chelsea brother, my sister.
well,
Yes.
if we can't talk to him, I shall talk to Chelsea. I shall talk to one of them. But you have to go up there. Me can't make them hurt you. You say you not do it. So me I got to go defend you. You're not defending. You like you can't defend
I
yourself.
know about now defend, but sometimes you have to know when to run and sometimes you have to know when to fight another day. That man.
Me a fight today. You run.
No,
Me fight. You
I'm
run.
mad man that care.
Me a mad girl too. Finish your copy yard.
Yeah,
I
no.
soon come back.
So me I say that
What happened? Me tell say me I go up there. Go start out things.
you cannot talk to him. It's not a
Listen to
man.
me. Me I go up there. Go talk to his sister. Then if you don't want me to talk to him, me I go up there. I'm going to talk to his sister. And we figure out after we have the conversation, we know what is what. If I not me have to go run off, I have to go hide underneath one pit or something or somehow. Something can't alive you. That can't work. So just we go fix him. Me soon come back here. Don't worry yourself.
Protect her, God. Do! Protect me, woman.
What do you pick your day? Kaga. You lock down in that place in that sun at all though.
Yeah, man, sis.
You look clean and fresh, brother, your beard.
You beard and do a bunch of things, man. Just free up my back, you know?
What do you mean by a bunch of things? Stop that man and nobody with a phone is I Chelsea.
Yeah, man. She keep it loyal, man. She keep it straight.
Yeah. And keep it lying and keep it straight. Okay.
Yeah, man.
Alright, hey. Anyway, that's too much information. We never
Thing
come back.
weird,
You say
but-
just chat too much.
Oh, Arizona. Man. Yeah, man, this good for me like when me just release.
Yeah, go get some
Tell
peanut
her
and water
say
and put in
that.
a bed
Talk,
and
talk,
jump
say
on.
that.
That's cool, man. That's cool.
Talk that.
Wait, sit drip the money.
Talk, you see, no joke you're talking.
Anyways,
Yeah.
babes, me and go up and
And like when you take care of me still, no?
I'm supposed
Yeah,
to.
man.
Yeah.
Nice, you can
Anyways,
come
later.
here.
Me I go beer and go. Hello.
So yeah, go so far.
Me, I'm tired. I want to go relax and I saw me there when you come again. So I want to go be and fresh up and go lie down.
And
Stop in case we come here run out.
No girl, catch up with your brother girl. Right now, catch me, want catch
Yeah,
down.
come back and check now.
Oh, you catch up enough
Me
already?
catch up in the Friday, I want to go down. Me come back way up in the evening.
Alright.
Come here now.
Be later.
Yeah, man.
So you come from prison, hot and horny and thirsty and everything. You don't want the people them picnic to go down.
You come out, she shouldn't even say that there's
Anyway, me don't even know that.
I'm so okay like a what?
No, you need to go and go soak some oats in the bed with peanut and dragon. That you need to
No,
go.
me not eat peanut. Allergic to peanuts.
Nuts. You're allergic to nuts. Okay. Alright.
She
Okay, brother.
she not allergic though. She not
That
allergic.
can't do nothing I can't put, but nothing where you take out. I just quench your thirst.
Yeah, man.
Me I go on the road. Get up.
Go.
Yeah, me could, me look something for you.
Now make sure no boy not rush up on the street, man. You good.
No boy now violate me, brother, me good. Like keep
Sure.
myself to myself and stay in the lane. Yes, brother, me good.
Alright.
You feel just go and tie out yourself and cool your
Yeah, man. Me I go on now, man. I do this.
Yeah, man, cool yourself.
Alright.
That is it.
If I see her pass, tell her to come check me back right now.
No, we're not going to do that.
Tell her,
I'm not going to do that.
Chelsea, hello. Me so glad me see you because you me a walk and look for me to see over your stuff.
We can walk and look for me, Kayla. I'm not last.
Girl, I know it's a long time, I know see you a long time I not talk to you.
Yes.
But it's a case of emergency, I have to come talk to you. You know, say, all along me know you all this year, I know say, I your Toga sister.
Kayla, if you don't know, say me and Toga sister and brother.
Me no remember say, we not too talk about family member, then we used to go up on the road and stuff, so me who don't know.
But you know now?
Me know now because my man come over here and he tell me one bag of something.
Your man, Davi.
Yes, Davi, my man.
Mm-hmm.
Said Toga say some things how Toga come from prison and Toga say one bag of things. So me come to talk to him.
You come to talk to Toga?
Yeah.
I don't think a good idea that, Kayla. I don't think a good idea because, you know why me I say that? Me hear my brother they swear say he have to dash with Davi. And me have to try to talk to him. Me talk to him more than one, me talk to him more than 2 times. Me try to convince him to leave that alone. Can he just come back from prison, Kayla?
Chelsea.
I don't want to think it himself in no trouble. I don't know why man Davi have, but then fall out and he must swear everywhere he turn up, everywhere he sit down, say he have to dash with Davi.
Chelsea,
Yes, Kayla.
you hear what you said to me right now, Chelsea?
You frightened me for. Yes, Kayla, me hear what me say look for me to talk to me, I tell her what they happen. Me can't tell her no
me
lie.
I beg you, please, Chelsea. Me and your friend, Chelsea. And if you go in there and if you talk to your brother, you know, if I did your man, you'd do it.
Kayla, me talk to
Me
him
love
already.
my man. Your
me
brother.
talk to him. Me talk to him go. Me talk to him come. The most me can do, I tell him say, you're outside and you want to talk to him. I mean, I think
Yes.
a good idea, you know. But you see, me I go over yard. Me I go make a stay upon the veranda. Me I go in the house and I try to talk to him. And you see if you hear him voice raise, I hear him get ignorant in no kind of way, just run.
Me not run from nobody, you know. Me not run from nobody.
Kayla, you're a woman, you're no man.
And that's why me not running. Chelsea, you can't talk
Me
to your
know say I
brother.
am man, my brother come about. Me know, but we are woman. We can't fight man war. We can't fight man battle.
Me man. Me have to help me man.
Me
I'm
know
going
say you
to
want.
help
Me that
him.
do the same thing to Kevin. Mother try to
Yes,
talk
so-
to him,
want
but at
to
the
talk
same
to
time,
him.
suppose you try to talk to him and he hurt you because he want to catch Davi and can't
So
catch
you
Davi
have to
from
stop,
him
you
come.
stop there watching hurt me.
That's supposed to be hurt to are we?
Just stop about hurt.
Alright,
Come me feel like
alright.
say you try make me just say okay then I just
Alright,
walk off and
alright,
come here.
Ken.
And me not do
I
that.
try to convince him to talk to him, but me say
Me
I
going to
make-
talk to him. Me
I go make-
determined. Me a walk from
Good.
far.
Yeah, and I'm going to make you come. You go stay on the veranda. I'm going to try to tell him, say, you're out of the door and you want to talk to him. And say, if you ain't get angry, run.
Run.
Toga, brother, me want to talk to you.
Oh, God.
We have something important to talk to you about. I don't want to light and I don't smoke. If you light and pass, I don't smoke. I don't walk with lighter. We are doing cigarettes in our house.
I'm cool on my brain right now.
Anyway, cool down your brain right now. Just drop your gun or something because of the socks. Come on, talk to you about something important.
Oh, God.
Me just walk go to her to go get something to eat and me buck up in a Kayla. She got talk to me about the situation and she want to talk to you.
What is?
Kayla, Davi Dan girlfriend.
What?
She want to talk to your brother. She
When
want...
they?
Watch her now, watch her.
Which part in there?
Brother,
If you can't hold in me, who wants she?
No, brother, you can't do that. You can't do that.
When she there?
Brother, a woman, she just want to talk to you make peace with talk. You
Talk to me
can't
for-
do that. We just still have this in our house.
Tell me when
I'm
she
telling you, I
there.
don't want it in here. Me tell you, me don't want that in here. You still in your house.
Listen me. Yeah, listen to one of me. Can't keep it fire. No matter man want me to.
You want to send everybody go to prison. That's the one.
Where she there?
She outside and she want to talk to you. Just tell her, relax now. A woman we are go with gun. A woman, she can't fight you. She can't fight with you. She just want to make peace with you.
See him on the run program by man in.
Tugga,
me not trust none.
Tugga, listen to what she have to say. She just want to talk to you, brother. Just listen up, at least listen. You go to the door with gun. I want a woman. I no man out the door. Tugga.
Sis, open the door.
Me not like how you can't. You feel hear it that
me not trust her. Me not that we can't be send her over here because see over here. Me not trust him.
Alright, put down your gun and talk to her. At least listen.
He good ready. This he good ready. Sis just left the place. And me deal with me a deal.
Left which place we can deal? Me not going nowhere.
I'm going over here.
No, me not going anywhere.
You know, you're just stubborn.
Me not going nowhere, Tugga. Me not going nowhere. I say no Tugga talk.
Yes, so we come
How you do for come spy for me? Eh? Where am I?
I'm come out here for talk.
Tugga.
But Davi send me over here for?
We come for talk, you not here.
Talk about what?
But what happened?
I barely even know my finger shake on the chicken.
Tugga, put on that. Tugga, please put on that.
Talk. You have 1 minute. You may not like come here and know that go.
The situation with you and Davi. He must say I know him. He must say look how much things, yani.
I know him do. I know him do. So who inform for me? And him alone know say me I go pan robbery. Him alone.
When you say I know him.
Not even God can come down and tell me say I know him inform the police about me.
But why?
And you know who for me did that? Maybe I secret spot where me and him cut down and chop out. And that's the police come for me go handcuff me.
He say it's not him.
Girl.
And a whole heap of things yarn him go through. So why not just tell the little secret and say I never let the rest of them. So me ask if you could just please make bygones be bygones. Just make it stay in a way. And think about it too, you're smart, you there in the streets. Look how much police want you. Look how much people want you out there. People want to catch you 3 points and police want to lock up you and put you away in a prison for whole long. Why not just start there look one secret then could attack you rest of them? You don't understand? Just please, I know him. Not him.
One thing me have to say now. I want to carry message straight. Tell Davi say anyone me see him or even hear his name a gunshot. You hear me say? Let me play it. Now, you have 2 seconds left. 1.
Brother, you see that? You see them style, them you like, what make you do that? So style,
you know,
so style. What make you do that?
Care this girl come and
what make you do that? You talk your friend in the house and you say, alright, then you come back outside with same dirty style. What's your? Now come go over. But you want to stand over here. Nonsense.
Baby.
Want you.
Jesus,
Want you.
Quality please. Talk about it please. No.
We need to talk about this place. What happened?
Go over there. If I tell you go over there, we can talk to the man. So baby, me see the evil of the man in your eye.
When do you?
He said, the man papa going by me.
What?
Me say me need a piece up. Until I know me want pee-pee. I know me want pee-pee.
Allah
And I let me tell you.
Dave, me tell us something about the force him at this. What's in the hurt? What would I do? What would I do if it hurt?
Oh God. The man say, you must. Anyway, see you. He could have even hear a name. I glimpse you. He might shoot you. Him I go shoot Yo, see my advice to you is to pack up and leave the place. Cause me tell you, me afraid. Me feel like me a little piece. I'll come in and me jazz pure. Me afraid.
Go me no know where to go. Go me a go.
Baby, where you go? Can you go find somewhere pack up and go hide? He mean business.
Go me afraid.
He mean business.
Me not do nothing.
I made that happen.
Me not do.
I made that happen. The man say, I in secret spot, then come pick him up. So not even God can come and tell him say I know you. Cause he knows say I you. So me don't know. You have to go pack up and left the place. No bring food, come give sometimes. You have to go see if you can see it one little old house bottom there. Or big one pit go underground. Go deep underground when you can't find you because he might come for you. Right now my head that hurt me. I don't know what to do anymore. Oh God, this
Sorry, see, I have to go through that. I'm not packing things and all.
Put the things in my left, quick. Be quick. Oh God.
Hey, no, me enjoy yesterday though.
But every minute you want to go and enjoy yourself.
Me, you have to remember, you know, at 5 years now, you know, so me gone back to square one, me gone back to a virgin. You have to understand that.
Beautiful.
Babe, you know it's been a long time in the me though. 5 years. And we dey enjoy ourselves now, you're happy to see me, right? Alright. I want to talk to you about something. Babe, at 5 years now, you know. 5 years now since all the altercation they gone. Davi say no him, he and Davi are best friend. Be where you just talk it out, where you can just be the bigger person and talk to him. Nobody not send me to you. But I don't want you to do the same thing.
Why you pick up this argument upon your head all of a sudden? From morning we are going to court. Why you have to come and contact?
Because I'm a man. Whenever you take out all of them revenge day, Pandavi, you feel like you go back in a jail. More than 5 years ago, spend this time. I don't want that to happen. Because I say, oh, me I wall out. I feel like I say, me go wall out the next time you're gone in there, you know. Oh, that me I tell you, I'm fed up and tired.
Don't say all of that.
Me tell you, I'm not wall out the next time you're gone in there. Because I had to punish, be the bigger person and talk to Davi. I'm your best friend. No, be the bigger person this time. I tell you the truth.
You know what I'm not trust you?
When you not trust me, if you tell you the right thing, may you
see, I tell me, say, if I go back to jail, you're not wall out.
Be me wall out for 5 years. You think it's a boy for wall out for 5 years?
Go on here.
Me what you mean go on here? If you tell
you
the
don't want
truth.
to take up something and lick your cross, go on here.
So talk on me, I want lick.
Go on here, yeah.
No worries, no, continue. Go and go do your revenge. This time over 30 years, they make you spend in there.
And you may well lick woman, man, a box across your face with a window blade.
Oh, yeah, for that place.
Yeah. Look at them.
I dog, I'm gonna go and watch play for me. What going?
No, me there, good.
Why, baby, I'm gonna go tell us I'm good. Last night, I had one terrible piece of sleep.
Yes, look.
I work and watch the place, man. I had to keep me safe. Last night, mosquito would have near me. They come like, say, from 2000 and when they don't have no flesh. And me just come like, oh, buffet for them. Yeah, right, that's a rough, man. I'm not telling
So
you.
yeah, string up some light or me can't catch some candle for you
I don't want no candle. I don't want no light away. I don't want nobody know say I am there. Right now, bad boy like I'm back in my day after I hide out and say, baby, right now, rough. You got the rough out here, so but me don't know better to do right now.
Oh God, no worries, we'll get through you.
I just hope say,
It's gonna get through
we
you.
can't dare so hide out a couple of weeks or might be a couple of months or something until eventually figure out it or somebody see
No
him
man,
and shoot him.
no, maybe I say a couple of years. I think about years I know.
Man, I hope somebody see him and shoot him, man, because I can't live like this, baby.
You can't wish bad for him, but that thing might be don't wish bad for nobody.
What do you mean don't wish bad? And I wish bad. And even wish him I wish bad. Him a promise bad for me. I lucky say me only I wish bad. I trust too
You
much.
have to be the better person. You have to be the better
person is the dead person. Me feel better than dead. Come like a madman right now. I don't mind one truck lick him and bend him in a 6.
Davi, we don't know where I go to, you know. It's all time if we go plan for run off. We left the country.
No, can't that, baby. You have your whole future.
So what we are going to tell you, son, do? You go continue to tell us how like, it don't look like him a plan for die anytime soon. It don't look like him a plan for forget about this anytime soon. So what is going to happen? That's the best idea. Pack up our left and pray to God. That's all we can do.
Baby, thanks for look for me, but there's some time by myself today. Just 1 hour. I don't have nobody here.
So you run me?
No, I don't know, but I'm just overwhelmed right now, man. I'm really sorry.
Alright, me I can't go, but me look for you tomorrow.
Alright, take care.
Alright, don't worry. Bye.
Mm-hmm.
Link me back. Yo, Chargy. Link me back for anything now until say 100,000 right now, cash. You need to get back to me, bro. Just get back to my dog. Because by tonight, if it's flashing. How long link you need to get back to me? Just get back to 100,000, bro, from here.
Brother. No, Toga. Me think me talk to you if you let go for that. Then you dey on phone. How you do, Toga? Toga, what you do? How can you talk to me here and on your phone?
Playing thing, you know.
I hit man walk you depend on your phone, Toga. Toga, me talk to you about
put
this.
on it.
So what, Toga, what you do that for? Toga, right now you hear that. Me come over here praising you about something to come like you now go for. What Pinky?
Send a Pinky right now. Because Pinky make him want to slip and say something medieval. Right? We should leave all box him down right or something.
Toga, you put your hand on Pinky if you want. What should do for deserve that, Toga? What should put that do you?
I don't put my hand on him. I say I box, I should have box him down. So I say out of him mouth.
Hey, next thing you go back to me, don't want me to go out after the month. You know me I go grown about God what me do. But now that reason I can't hear that right now. Next thing you want box down me.
No put me hand for a woman, man, but yo, some of the time I feel get discipline.
Oh God. Jesus Christ. I have to go find Kayla. I really have to go find Kayla this time, yeah, and talk to her about this. Can't make Toga find out. Toga come and Toga determined. Say want to Davi sit. No matter what me say, no matter what me do, no matter how me talk to him. I have to go link Kayla and try to fix this. I have to try to resolve this. You know, I can't make Toga find out. Can't. Kayla, brother. Kayla! 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 Girl! She not there. Let if I'm no phone number for her. Sit down yourself again. What kind of Kingston she gone? Kayla, are you me I look for the last? I got me find her now.
Oh, go on.
I want to talk to you about something important.
Oh, talk then.
My brother, you know, take a come like in and drop this thing where I carry vengeance or revenge to your man Davi. And I talk to him and he now listen. And over there go on with himself. Somebody decided to take a walk out of the yard and come check him. No one. We have a way how I can resolve this. And I say I want to talk to you about it. And I think it can work.
Me I hear, man.
Kayla, where Davi there in a real life? Where Davi there? Because he still live so with you?
No, you know, Davi not live here anymore. Davi has moved out.
Because I come and call and I don't hear you. I don't hear but normally one out of one. Anyway, as my dad said, I really and truly want to know where Davi is. A matter of fact, I don't know me want know. Me need to know where Davi is. And I need your help to locate.
Chelsea,
I only can't fix this if we get to talk to him.
he can't talk to me and me talk to him. Chelsea, David is somewhere right now and me can't make you know in there.
But I didn't ask you for help, you know, and I help you. No, I come back and ask you for help. Me help. I want help David and I want help you.
You can't help. Listen to me. Me can't help you. Me just can't help you with which part in it because your brother look for him.
Exactly. And that's why I come over here contact you, because I not stop look for him.
And that's why me can't make you know.
this.
Me can't make you know. Just tell me what you need to know. Tell me what you need to hear. Tell me how you go fix it.
Me can't talk to David through you. Me want to talk to him by himself.
So Chelsea, me tell you God Almighty truth. Me can't tell you which part David. I cannot do that.
Alright, yeah.
Your brother look for him. Me can't do that, Chelsea.
Alright, yeah. You don't trust me enough to talk to him by myself.
Me wait. Tell me what you need to tell him.
Alright, tell him say me want to see him and then you make me find out how you go. Anyway, never mind. Me just want you know say me have an idea and me know say me can fix it that way and the only way me can
so tell
fix
me the
it.
idea then, no Chelsea.
No, me can't tell you. Me have to tell David. Me have to tell David. Me cannot tell you.
Why you cannot tell me,
him? Me have
Chelsea?
to tell.
Why you cannot tell me, Chelsea?
Taylor, me can't tell you.
Me and your friend and you can't tell me how you go fix the problem. Tell me so me can say okay. Listen to me. If you can't go part with David right now, I tell you where David is. I risk in life, you know. Me can't risk in life for foolishness. Why you tell me if it makes sense, make me say alright then,
Taylor.
come on. But if it don't make no sense, me can't carry
I risk me in your life for me make you go talk to my brother in a dark stage. Taylor. And he want to talk. I really want to talk.
Chelsea,
Since I insist, say.
can't tell you where David is.
Alright,
Now
alright.
go record.
Alright, Taylor. Listen, me hear you. I must say you're serious, say you're not me. Alright. We go over.
Alright.
We go over, Taylor. Alright.
Safe travels. Just let me know. I'm going to link David again. I'll go up there. I'll go up there and talk to him.
Say boy hide. I run your so in there. Alright, Taylor. Alright, David.
Baby. Whew. I'm tired.
You just left over here, so a couple hours ago. Where you do back over here, sir?
When I go over here, me have good news.
Baby, you can't come over here so much. I know no business, but no good news. You can't come over here so much. Please, somebody see you.
Nobody see me.
Remember, say everybody knows I'm a woman not posting trailer.
No, nobody don't trail me. I don't think nobody trail me. Nobody knows over here me I come. Nobody don't know nothing. As me I say, right? I go over here, I see Chelsea.
Where am I doing my yard?
He said he come to look for me in the ask which part of the day and say he wants to see you. Say you have one good idea of to fix everything, of make everything go back to normal.
What kind of idea that?
She never tell me, she said she have to talk to you. So she didn't want
You
to tell
can't
me
chat to me. Me not trust none of them. You can't chat to me. A program I run. Woman running most program Kayla can't chat to me.
Me not know. She said to me say she want to know for the woman never tell her for day and she did want to come, but me never bring her.
And what kind of things you would have up in sleeve and all that? Yo, look how me avoid the man in slouch I find me Kayla.
No, Chelsea said she want to fix the problem. She said I have a great idea and she believes that it go work. If once Chelsea believes that it go work, me believe that it go work too.
Maybe you will believe, but me can't believe because his brother and enemy.
No, Chelsea want the peace. Chelsea want peace. And brother want the war. Chelsea just want peace for real. And Chelsea love him brother and Chelsea come and Chelsea say, you know, like him brother plan to tap this thing anytime soon and he find out one way how to fix everything. So like Chelsea have a good idea, so you don't have to turn your son no more. Maybe tomorrow you can come home. If you talk to Chelsea, so I come and tell you.
I don't know about that and I tell you the truth. I don't know about that.
Chelsea say it's an opportunity we are get. We pray to God and say God send the opportunity here now. Chelsea's opportunity. Chelsea says a good and brilliant idea. He just needs to talk to you. So say I may come. She didn't want to come with me, but me never bring her. She didn't want to show her, but me never bring her or tell her anything. So me don't know if you want. Tell her where they are. Carry to her. I want me to know what I'm going to do.
Tell her, no link him back yet. Tomorrow I link him. You know, there are other CFOs down the road in the direction there. I feel like something move down there tonight. Because I don't feel safe as I can, baby.
Why?
You can't handle me look a bit right as before I get down.
How many if you go back down now?
Just 1 hour, please. I beg you.
Which 1 hour?
Just stay with me.
No, I can't tell for 1 hour. I can't tell for 1 hour.
Half hour.
But no worry yourself. No, man.
Half hour.
Alright, we're going to stay for half hour. But guess what? We are going to get everything fixed. Chelsea fix everything.
I don't know about that. I don't trust him.
We can go back home and sleep together again. We are going happy again. And we can finally go on the trip and we did plan. All the good things that we can do now.
Alright, Francis said that then.
Yes, sick get God send me.
Come on, lock up this house. I don't see me plan for me. I tell me say yes and I'm safe. Alright.
You want them now? Be.
You didn't even know what you said to me around through my brain.
Be, me tell you something sorry already about that. Stop going to me.
Sorry. What sorry go do?
Be, me sorry.
Sorry, can go back and make it say what you know say?
Babe, listen. I was just telling you my mind. Me did upset at the same time. You don't understand, you know? Try you don't understand. Just calm down,
I
man.
understand the fact that say about cheating and go back and bring.
Brother,
Be, me never stop me go.
brother, that's me. Sorry, PG. I want to talk to you, brother. Come here. I want to talk to you about something.
All that nonsense.
Yeah. Me find out where boy hide out. Me found Davi hide out.
Chelsea.
We been on one hilltop in a bush, Davi hide out. One old boardhouse up there where him a tanning now.
All board us.
Yes.
Chelsea, me not understand how you come in here and talk about that. Chelsea, me not think that me and you cry peace. Be, listen, me and you talk about this. No, hello.
Wait.
Listen to me, girl. Me think me and you cry up in eyes. Me think me and you cry peace. Oh, if you come in and talk about that, you know.
Because I go over there and I try to talk to Kayla, and to me, they have sitting up their sleeve and I don't trust Kayla again. So I follow her and I know which part in the bush Davi a tan.
Who is K?
No couple hours ago you had tell me say Mr. Bill.
Chelsea,
And
you
you
just
had
said
tell
that.
me.
Yes, but me go over there and I try to talk to Kayla and I try
You
to
sure
preach
not say
peace.
you try and set me
No,
up sis?
me a preach peace,
Relax now.
and when me go over there and I try to talk to her,
People just talk to you.
she deny me, and for some reason she give me a reason for not trust her again. And me trail after me ask her which part her man is her man over.
Yes, yes.
And me trail her and she go up in her bush, up in her hilltop. There's a one whole board house there where Davi a hide out in
Chelsea,
the night.
I know about Peggy.
No, me don't want to guy jail, but me don't want Davi have up in this guy ears, and my brother look for him and my brother want revenge and me don't trust
I'm
them.
sorry.
Togo.
Me not let you kill me brother.
Say you want my man to go kill man to go back to jail.
Yeah, suppose we don't know what Davi think about him and Kayla and then come kill we instead.
Girl, I can't believe you, girl. I think that me and you cry peace.
Yeah, me I cry peace, but me tell you, me go over there to talk to Kayla and the way she behave, me not trust her. And that's what I
can't believe you, Chelsea. What the fuck, you know what? Alright, you know, make him do what he want to do. Make you up whenever anything happen to him and you're dead here and you tell the police them say you. Man, just come out of jail.
Yes, and they cry peace so long and he not listen to me, right? He insists I want do I want do whether me want do they with him or not. He might do it with or without me either. So yeah, when me come over there go talk to Kayla, me never know what she have up herself and me never trust her and she done move some kind of funny way and me never like it. So me follow her go up in her bush and when me follow her go up there, realize that up there David hide out in her bush in her old board house in her hilltop up there so.
Girl, man, girl, listen. Hey, better go man, I'm fed up. I can't try to talk to you and I try to steer your brother on the right way and I think that me and you work for steering your brother on the right way. Me never know say you go come in here and turn your back for me and change your mouth, girl. Now you go put Tugger in a problem and Tugger on a headpiece up yourself. So I'm just go listen to you and go and go do what you're not supposed to do.
You never listen to me for a man, so I hope you listen to me now.
Alright, go and go do what you have to do.
You didn't say you can't come back now?
Number 4.
You don't have to follow me go all the way. Me alright, yes, so man. When I reach down, me need to call you.
You sure?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm sure. Later, love you.
Alright, love you too. Take care,
Yeah, tomorrow.
Don't go. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, there. Dark up, my girl.
Me no know when there.
What you mean, I don't know when there? That's a lot. Tell me where your man
Me
there.
no know when there. Me
You
tell
see,
me
me
when
can't
there.
hold him now. You me a murder now, you know.
Me no know when there. I shot me a come from. Me no know when there. Me no know when there for true. You innocent. You know me man.
3.
Me no know when there for true. I beg you. Me no know when there for true.
I know say no in there, no. So talk up.
Me
Girl.
man innocent. Me man innocent.
You want me send you home right now? Talk up.
Me go home then.
You want
Me
go home? You want
yes,
go
me got
home?
me yard.
Alright, go on home straight to God.
Oh, now babes gone over. And me a call him and nah get him. So me can't bother with this, you know. Me a call on your phone and nah get him. And my phone depend on D&D and only she alone can call me. Nobody else can call me. Yo, you know, me not say nothing, you know. Me just give him benefit of the doubt. I just go over and figure out to call me. Tomorrow morning when he bring me dinner come, when breakfast come, me cuss him both, yeah, man.
Girl, what's up? What's up? You said that one by me. But girl, I hope you're gonna see that video. Come I can't but I would have foolish and I know where you're coming to come tell to God that for.
After you not take no talk and you not take no telling, what me I go do? Next thing they sit down and pray for do weird things because him not give up on the words in the streets and he not give up and he put out hit pan Davi and all and bad man friend him and help him look for him. Davi must hear that Banoka Kayla. I have to tell him. Because I go over there and try to talk to her and she not take no talk neither. She not take no telling. And I tell her, I say, I want to see Davi talk to Davi myself. And she said she not tell me when there.
I just hope.
So I think the reason why she never want to tell me when there.
Please.
Kaka?
Where you come from, sir? Mr. Big Man, where you come from? Taga you me a talk to.
Brother, where do?
Go look for Davi. And buck up in a Kayla.
Buck up in a Kayla.
Yeah.
But a Davi, me tell you which part Davi there. So how you buck up in a Kayla?
She didn't want to tell me where Davi is still.
So if you buck up in a Kayla and with Davi there, Kayla never up there. With Davi there, me tell you say.
Kayla, they up there. So I just dash her Kayla.
Yeah.
What you mean you dash your Kayla? Me not understand.
Where do that for? Me never tell you nothing about Kayla. Davi, me tell you
because
say.
you make. Taga, what you mean you dash your Kayla? Listen, you see as a matter of fact, do anything you want. You see your sister, me not involved in this, you know. So I hope you see when they talk about that shit, you know when they talk about that shit, make sure clean out my hairs. You see, as from today, me done. Me not want to sit down, me tired of you. Imagine, say, me sit down for 5 years, it could have been 10 years, me sit down for a way for you. And you come out, come with the same foolishness. You did, me never gonna say, if you go back to jail, no, because I know you'll go back. But listen, say, hey, sister, I want to deal with this. Me done. I not get myself mixed up in nothing. Matter of fact, I'm done with the relationship.
You don't mix up already.
You're not done till me say done. Hear that? Anytime I hold that woman as a massacre.
Brother, me never send her over there for hurt Kayla. Kayla innocent.
And
Like
she
Davi-
me see, I'm here ask her for Davi, so I just give her it to her. She don't tell me what Davi did.
You just
One
give her it
year
too,
in
brother.
a score. One execution.
Brother, you never have to do that, because I never say no go over there if you go do that. I tell you which part David, because I don't trust them no more, because I ask she which part David if you go talk to him myself and she not tell me when they.
No, I need some more bites.
Girl never do you nothing, so you never have to do that. She not deserve that. And thing you have to give nobody, she just give David when you see him and when you catch him.
Yo, 9 ball.
Yeah, go over me,
Yeah,
yeah.
I mean, bro. Go on some more teeth, you know. Yeah, man, they see him on there.
She had a shoes and shoes lace too.
so circle, man. That's what I'm cut.
Right now, me have to go make brother find Davi. This I get from bad to worse, I get out of hand. Me have to make him find Davi and deal with this. Me have to get this deal with me. Can't make brother find out. Me can't resist to make brother find out.
Yo, boy, right now, I don't even know what going on in the community, you know. I pay things are going on in the community, you know, brother. From Toga come from prison, dog, like, boy, I don't know. Right now, I come from Davi yard. I call Davi. I get him, I don't know what happened to him, brother. You get what I say? Before me even reach up at the man yard, I call him and I get him. How do I go link the man, you know? I preach to the man, you know, I beg him, say, Davi, Toga come back from prison, the man say, you want dash away by any necessary meaning, and the man, me no do nothing, brother. It no matter if you do nothing from people who want dash away. If you can win the battle, run and fight, to fight the next day. Boy, right now, watch out. Me saw Kayla get shot, brother. Me don't even know if he unalive. Me don't know if he make it. Boy, right now, I pray say Kayla alright, you know. But the main thing, right now, watch out. Me try to call him one more time, brother. Pick up, no man. Pick up. Right now, just a ring, the phone just a ring, and now, and Father God, me I beg you, do make nothing happen to Davi. Cause me know say if Toga hold him, Toga go dash him away. Toga go give him 1 in his head and 3 in his belly. Yo, Jesus, right man.
Yesterday, I call Kayla and now get him. So if you carry some food, come give me. No, say if you carry some food, come give me. I now get him. I don't want to go in the town because yo. But you know, me I go over the old house though. Go over there. I wait and see if he really not carry some food, come give me. And then you carry, me just say, it's that and go back and me and yard here, man.
Brother. Toga. You know you say police and fight, Kayla.
Got me here.
No. Nobody not see nothing, nobody not hear nothing. Nobody not see nothing.
Nobody not see nothing, man. Yeah, I feel that.
What are you doing now? What are you doing now, man?
I want to say that we want to see about this. So, most of us are up and most of them have to find me.
You never know about us and I go this way and now I go stay this side again.
No, man.
I'm more than is still in the bush.
You still there now, probably near the circle. You
I feel
better
like
me
you're
go
service
see.
up. Brother, I feel like service that circle up. Like,
We?
yes. We. One next place, half a day where I must stay. I must find it.
You know where in the...
I know if you fight. I know say one place in the bush there so where I go stay down, go locate there so when that stay again. I know if you find more than you, brother. I find the first one.
Yeah. Not far.
Are you real, brother? Yes.
Still I call him and I still voicemail me again. I wonder if Kayla and member say I done this and I said me. You know what? I sit down look a bit and wait for him right as a car. Kayla come like he want me go over here. You know? I don't know how. Oh, me tell him say I done this something and he come like up and saying come because I not see him. And that is not like him to not call me from yesterday. I don't understand this. Or maybe I run away because he can't mind the pressure. She knows a man want me, a man good, I want him too. You know, I'm just so wait as a 1 hour and I must see Kayla. He must come and if he, yo, do you want to chat now? Do you want to chat?
Alright, don't have to me dash your kid there.
But I'm just saying this is a house and they are staying and this is a house.
Alright, don't have to me dash here. You never there.
I come to tell you about
So which part you said me?
I Yeah, he always just somewhere. No else when they know than the other all us down this so.
Sit down, man. Sit down, man. Sit down, man. Yeah. Yeah. I think I want to find out if they sell me out and send me to prison for 5 years.
Papa, I'm not sending her to prison. I know me, bro. I know me.
You take me for idiot?
No.
And you alone know me I go up on robbery. And you alone know me hiding spot. You take me for fool.
Papa, I don't do nothing like that. Believe me.
What? You know how much time man could I get dashed behind bars? Take a you.
Toga, I know me, bro.
Boy,
I know me.
sit down.
Toga, I know me. I know me. Toga, look how much secret me know for your brother. What make me go to jail? What make if I'm me? What make me want to tell them that to you? Look how much crime you do. Look how much people you dash with. Look how much tool they have locked with. I'm gonna tell police now then. Oh, I'm if you tell that one secret there. Oh, if you have $1 million, I'm gonna keep $1,000. That don't make no sense.
So all that money there?
I don't know about the money. I don't know about the money where you chat about.
You never know nothing yet, eh? Davi, I'm right hand. And I can't believe see you sell me. Me and you are sign a dog. Me and you closer than even one family.
Oh God, that's why you have to believe. I know me. Think about it. Who else you tell? Who else you tell? I don't want me.
Well, know what you did. Know what you step to me. Yo, you know it's right you saw me dash with your girlfriend. And you really make me come catch you back right you saw.
What?
Right you saw me come dash because I come and look for you.
What?
And me not find you.
What you mean say dash with my girlfriend? What you mean by that?
One me give her in her brain, man.
You can't take me for now either. My girlfriend alive and yesterday she left right or
You look like you when me grow and bring in a badness much tool make you lock for me.
Yo, where you talk about with my girlfriend? Where you talk about with my girlfriend?
Look on this.
Jesus Christ. Dogga, what make you do that to my girlfriend?
I'm gonna ask you again.
Jesus Christ.
Why you betray me?
Dogga, me don't betray you. Believe me don't betray you.
Who else know me hiding spot? But you.
Are you have to tell somebody? Me not tell nobody. Talk remember say you bring me in a badness.
Who me would I tell?
Me don't know who you tell. Me don't know who you tell. And it me tell me know so much things, boy. You know make no sense.
One right hand me having and a two.
Talk who else you could I tell? Who else you could I tell? Cause I don't know me. Think about it in your mind. Who else you tell?
Me not tell nobody else. You alone me tell. Say me I go do pan the robbery. And I alone me tell say me I go hiding spot. And that's why money missing.
Toga, think about it and think about it good. Listen to what me I say. Look how much secret me know for you. You see if you have a dash more, you do it right now. But dash more for you, throat for that. Look how much secret me know for you. You tell me say you go up on a robbery, yes. But you not tell me where money hide. And so think about it. Who else you could have tell? Cause I don't want me.
You from morning.
Don't move. Brother, may make me finger go off and shoot you. Don't move.
Davi, me sorry, bro. Me sorry.
Brother.
All innocent killer.
Brother, you're there.
Because of you.
Brother, you know how long you're there prison? Me never have a chance. Me have to take up the money and spend if you take care of me and Pinky. When you get money from to pay bills and take care of myself and your own man, brother.
One of blood.
Me never know.
Set me up.
Brother, me never know when you come back, how much year I go spend in prison. What you did expect me to do? When you never just dash away boy and get it over with. This would have be perfect. Who wouldn't have to go through this? Think you'd have come back home and would have alright and live happily ever after. When me can't have to wait so long to shoot the boy.
Sis, I can't believe you really do this.
Hey boy, everything you should have get. My brother cool, but me cooler. Boy, you know how me? Brother, me sorry, my brother, but me could make you find out and do nothing about it because me know you that deal with me. Me know you that deal with me. I'm sorry, my brother, I'm sorry.
You guys made it to the end of this movie. And you see me head mad. It's still not mad like the movie I wanna just watch. So people, remember, always remember to leave a like, share the movie, comment on the movie, tell me if you like it or what could have better. You understand? Tell a friend about this bad movie, Betrayal by Blood. That movie you just don't watch. So people, just stay tuned because Davi Dan HD are forward with the hits and nothing but the hits. And people remember, you say May the 11th. This Monday we are forward and remember say Davi Dan birthday, so we can start blow up the comment section for now. So big up on yourself, heart of love, we no short of love. One love.